Welcome back, my friends, and this is my old compost bin. I did try and collect the juices out of this one, but for some reason it wasn't working well. Now I've got the compost run off bin on the other plot. I'm going to revamp this, and inspired by other YouTubers who collect their manure in containers and leave it for 12 months, I thought, well, while I've got the opportunity, I'll try again. So when I'd actually cleaned it all out, all this back area had collapsed. I'd actually used this metal frame supported by bricks, but it didn't work. Now I know why I didn't end up collecting anything. So I'm going to get this siliconed up now and get this board in front and see how we get on. It's a quick, easy fix. What I've done, I've took the bottom piece of thick plastic out and used the spare soil from the bean bed and heaped it up, sloped it from back and into the side. Hopefully it'll run out there. So I'll get on with this now. So this is the original bit of plastic that run there. I'm going to actually silicone all these bits up. Just got to make that a little bit bigger. This silicone was in the clearance, 50p a tube. It's normally about £2 or £3, so this little job's only going to cost me a few quid. And I've got a bit of a confession to make, guys. I dropped my bean tray with the chitted beans on, so that wasn't very clever of me. So I've actually planted them all now. So they're all in separate containers in the that down now. It'll be better than what it was before. I'll just get this all lifted up now and the piece of wood slotted in. So I'm going to collect all the juices that run out this muck as I collect it. Stick a few more nails in it. But I've been waiting for a dry day to do this. Originally I thought the mice had actually dug a hole in it, but it's down to me. Didn't do it properly first time round. So I'll get the rest of the slats in and see what it looks like. Well, I'm happy with that. Just got to get something now to stop the ingress of water. I did build a box before, so no, pleased with that. I can start picking up the muck now and getting this filled ready for next year. So I'm just moving on now to the bog garden for the celery, and we have to pinch the odd radish as we go along. So let's get over there and get set up and show you what I've done so far. Just finished that radish off, lovely. If you remember, the 3 cut barrels were here. So basically the remainder from the compost bin that we've just looked at has gone into the bottom of these. Now any of the juices and good stuff will always be there. That one there has had a layer of leaves, then another layer of spent compost. So we're in layers, going the wrong way really. With a layer of leaves and the compost on top, and then we dump the soil on top. What I'm doing, I'm using these 4 canes to indicate where the actual water source is, and then just marking it with the rock dust, so I know where to plant the plants. And we'll go to this one. These are the fruit juice bottles, the little bottles that I use as greenhouses, turned upside down, slid into one another, and that's where I'll be topping up and keeping an eye on the water level. But the amount of rain we've had just recently, as you can see, so hopefully it'll work. I'm looking to put maybe 5 to 7 plants in each one, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see how damp that top one is compared to the soil that side. I might have to cover it over for now just to keep the moisture in, and I may even lay some plastic down and put the plants through it. I don't know yet, we'll think about it. No doubt you've got loads of comments and you're going to tell me exactly where I need to be on this one. It's an experiment. It won't be this damp during the summer, no doubt, but I do value everybody's comments to help me along on my allotment journey. Happy gardening to you all. I love this garden community. Everybody shares the knowledge and experience. I'm learning, everyone's learning, and I do appreciate the comments. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss any further updates on my budget gardening. Till next time, my friends. Ta-ra for now. Little gem have failed. White gem even. Must concentrate more. Getting me beans mixed up, getting me parsnips mixed up. Still, we're happily gardening on plot 3 in North Warwickshire. Ta-ra!